Satie's first Gnossienne begins with two simple little phrases that can be played with a single right hand position. The first phraselet starts on C with finger 2 and has eighth notes and quarter notes. Follow that are two half notes with grace notes preceding them. The second phraselet begins the same way, but then has grace notes on F from E to F, and you can slide your fourth finger from E flat up to E to reach the grace notes for the F half notes. The second phrase begins similarly, but is much longer and more complex. In music, you'll often hear two small phrases followed by a longer phrase. For now, I'm not playing with dynamics, even though in the score there's a forte at the end of this phrase. I'm just focusing on clear striking of the keys.